Hi everyone, in this video I'm super excited to be showing you how to make some chocolate ice cream. So I'm going to be using a couple of ingredients. So I have some leftover condensed milk that I've stored in a jar, and I have some whipping cream, chocolate, vanilla essence, and it's going to be that easy. So let's get started. To my big bowl, I'm going to be adding in a cup of whipping cream. Next, add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whip up the whipping cream until hard peaks. So this is how hard peaks look like. As you can see, the whipping cream seems firm. So my whipping cream is ready. I'm going to be adding in my condensed milk. That is half a cup of condensed milk. And then I'm going to fold into the whipping cream. Once combined, I'm going to place this aside. Over here, I have 140 grams of dark chocolate, so I'm going to be using a chopping board to chop up my chocolate. It's easier to melt the chocolate when the chocolate is in small pieces. If you don't have the dark chocolate, you can use any chocolate that you have in the house, but I would prefer you use this dark chocolate. It's going to give you a very awesome chocolate color for your ice cream. And then I'm going to melt the chocolate in a double boiler. So over here I have a small pot which has boiling water. If you don't have this kind of bowl, you can simply place the chocolate in a microwave and melt. As the chocolate is melting, I'm going to stir so that the chocolate can be fully melted. So this is a simple way to melt chocolate if you don't have a microwave. Don't place the chocolate directly in a pot, in a non-stick pot, because it's going to burn. Trust me. So my chocolate is fully melted. This is how it's looking. As you can see, it's very nice and silky. Once ready, I'm going to transfer to my countertop, and then I'm going to let the chocolate cool for a bit. My chocolate has been cooling for around 5 minutes. To make this quick, you can refrigerate for around 1 minute. So the chocolate has to be warm and still flowing, because we want the chocolate and my whipping cream to incorporate fully. To my bowl, I'm going to add in my chocolate. You see, the reason I added the dark chocolate is going to add a very nice dark chocolate color to our ice cream. So I'm going to fold until everything is fully combined. And immediately I'm done mixing, I'm going to be transferring to a container. So there's my container. I'm going to transfer. Once done transferring the ice cream to the container, I'm going to level up the ice cream into my tin, making sure I release all the air bubbles inside. So I'll just gently press. At this point, my ice cream is ready for refrigeration, so I'm going to be freezing my ice cream until rock solid, and that is going to take about 1 day or overnight. So I'll catch you tomorrow, and then I'll show you the outcome. Sprinkle in with some chocolate chips just to decorate my ice cream. My ice cream is creamy, rich, and chocolatey, and the best thing about this ice cream is that it's homemade. I'm going to serve myself some ice cream. Just look how my ice cream is looking. This is a soft serve ice cream. I'm going to give my ice cream a try. I love the chocolate flavor. This is the best chocolate ice cream ever. And I hope you're going to try out this recipe, especially now it is very hot.